we'll turn left at the stop sign up here. Takes a lot of concentration, a lot of observation, heightened awareness, kind of thinking 2 steps ahead of time too, so you don't go the wrong way in a one-way. Nice, eh? And then we're going to turn left. So again, thinking 2-3 steps ahead of time. Look for your clues. First question is it a one-way or a left, one-way or a two-way that we're turning on? And once you identify the road, then the next question is, which lane do I turn into?
Yeah. It's a two-way, so I should be in the right-hand lane.
Is it a two-way or a one-way that you're turning on?
Oh, wait. It's one-way.
Yeah, it's a one-way street. You got lights on that side, but you don't have lights on this side. That's also another clue showing you the traffic flows one way. Left, 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 left. There you go. That's so you don't collide with a bus coming out of the... Yeah. And then we're looking again for pedestrians. So we're going to try this block here again. Try to get the right lane, the correct lanes here. We're going to turn left. Good. Foot to the sidewalk.
That's the rule?
Yeah, that's the law. Correct choice of lane.
This is one way, so it should be left hand.
Mm-hmm. It does take a little bit of time to get used to turning into the left lane, though, because you're wired for the right lane.
Exactly.
We'll do the same thing. We'll go up to the traffic lights.
Okay.
Yeah, so if there's no other clues around, then the traffic lights are your clue. Traffic lights on that side, no traffic lights on that side.
Yeah.
So it's a one-way.
It's a one-way street.
There's also a no right turn sign there too. And also to help guide you into the correct lane, you use the left curb as your guideline.
Yeah.
And the rights of ways work the same way here as they do anywhere else. He's not turning right now because he's facing a no right turn on a red light sign.
Okay.
Just posted up here.
Yeah.
Right on. Correct choice of lane. We're going to turn left at the stop sign. Reading the body language on pedestrians, right? Just kind of figuring out where they intend to go. Sometimes it's like trying to interpret the dance of the sugar plum fairy. You never know. All right, just be prepared here. We're going to make a right turn between these two buildings.
Okay.
You see the stop sign?
Yeah.
It tells you it's a two-way laneway. Watch this.
Wow. This is two-way.
Yeah, two-way laneway. We're going to go all the way down to the stop sign up there, looking for pedestrians in the doorways. Anything that might pop out from anywhere, you know.
Definitely.
At the stop sign, we're going to go straight. Some sort of festival going on here.
Yeah.
They got the roadway blocked. But I just wanted to show you something here. So we stopped before the sidewalk, and then if there were people on the sidewalks here, you could use the windows to see their reflection.
Oh, that's very true.
You just use those to your advantage. That's really helpful in Toronto, like when there's a sea of people on the sidewalks.
Yeah, for sure.
Scooters, cyclists, everything.
Yeah, it's a good tip, yeah.
Yeah, the windows. Sometimes you could use even, the sides of cars are reflective.
Yeah.
You might be able to use those too. At the stop sign, we're going to turn left.